Hi guys, Gail Wilson for MyRepurposedLife.com, and I'm a self-confessed junker and furniture flipper. I've been at this for a long time and I've learned a lot of tips and tricks along the way, and I'm here to share them with you through this ebook, 36 repurposed furniture projects for all skill levels. Whether you're new to this furniture flipping biz or you've been dabbling for a while, I think that you will find something to inspire you. And I know you're going to learn because I have got so many tips and tricks to share with you. You will be taken from the PDF file over onto the blog. And because you've put your hard-earned money down on this book, I have removed all external ads from the private blog posts. That's right, these private blog posts are only available to people who purchase this ebook. It's 50 pages in all, and there's something here for everyone. I include lots of my tips and tricks over on the blog post, as well as what tools I think you should buy and where you should get them. In addition, I have a list of items that I think you should look for when you're out thrift shopping. So click that Buy Now button and purchase the PDF ebook today before the price goes up. And I'll see you over on the blog. Bye for now.